it's so common, and I think it's not even taught, it's just called out, that we develop a lot of habits that are probably not great, that may feel okay because of the postural imbalances that we've built up over time. But we're just going to take a deeper look at it and really find out what's going on in different parts of the body. So continue to swipe left to see some common errors that I see all the time in class, and what really to do instead for optimal stability and mobility and breath in the asana. So let's bring this all together. We bring our hands as wide as the mat. The index finger and the thumbs are pushing forward and down. The index fingers are parallel to one another. We don't gnarl the hands up. We externally rotate the upper arm, not jam the ears and the shoulders towards one another. We push back, we push so that our chest is pressing back, and we keep our chest and shoulders pressing back as we lift our hips up. I'm not jamming my rib cage toward my thighs. I'm actually pulling the lower ribs and lower belly up and in. Then I don't jam my heels to the floor. I actually lift them up a little bit. So I take the creases out of the fronts of the ankles, and then I lift my kneecaps up. So we are pushing with the hands. We are pulling the kneecaps up. We are pulling the lower belly in. We are breathing in the spinal neutralizer, in this mild inversion, in our downward facing dog.